Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of Scandinavian design. It is super popular because it is all about keeping things simple, functional and cozy. When it comes to Scandinavian kitchen, they are not just about looking good, they are also about making your life easier. Picture clean lines, smart layouts, and a warm, inviting atmosphere. It is like creating a comfy hug for your home. So get ready to discover how to bring that Scandinavian charm into your kitchen space. Stick around to learn more about making your kitchen a place you will love to spend time in. Using light color like white, soft gray, and pastel in our kitchen makes it feel bigger and brighter. These colors reflect light, making the room seems more spacious and open. Natural light is super important too. Having big windows and keeping window covering simple help bring in lots of sunlight. It makes the kitchen feel fresh and welcoming, so by choosing light colors and maximizing natural light, you can create a kitchen that feels airy and full of energy. It is like bringing a bit of the outdoors inside, making your kitchen a pleasant place to cook and hang out in. In Scandinavian kitchen, clean lines and minimalistic are really important. That means keeping things simple and neat. For example, cabinets are sleek and don't have a lot of fancy decoration. The handle on drawers and cabinets are simple, not too flashy. Countertop are keep clean or cluttered, which means there are not a lot of stuff laying around. The idea is that having less stuff makes the kitchen look better. It is like the saying less is more. When there is not too much going on, the kitchen feels clean and look nice. That is why Scandinavian kitchen are so attractive and easy to use. Using natural materials like wood, stone and metals in a kitchen, bringing nature indoors. Wood gives a warm feeling like being in a cozy cabin. Stone adds a rugged and earthy textures, making the kitchen feel grounded. Metals adds a modern touch and reflects lights, making the space feel bright. These materials work together to create a welcoming atmosphere. When you use organic elements in your kitchen, it feels more inviting and comfortable, like being in a natural environment. It is like bringing a piece of the outdoors inside, making your kitchen a cozy and pleasant place to be. A well thought out kitchen layout is like a puzzle where everything was just right, making cooking and moving around easier. Imagine if your pot, pans, and unshelves were scattered everywhere, but with a smart layout, you can organize things neatly. Scandinavian kitchen are great at this. They use clever storage ideas like pull-out drawers, hidden cabinets, and shelves on the wall to save space. Even in a small kitchen, you can have plenty of room to work and store things without it feeling cramped. It is like a magic trick, efficiently and stylish at the same time. Scandinavian design huge play a big role because it is focused on making space warm and inviting. To bring hygiene into your kitchen, you can add soft and fluffy things like rugs, cushions, and blankets. These cozy textiles make the space feel more welcoming and comfortable. Lighting is important for creating a cozy atmosphere. Use soft, warm light like pendant light candles to add a gently glow that makes the kitchen feel cozy and inviting. You can make your kitchen cozy and useful by trying out these ideas. Don't be afraid to mix and match colors. Keep things neat and simple and use natural materials like wood and stone. Try organize your kitchen smartly with clever storage solution. Remember to add little touches like soft blankets or warm lighting to make it super cozy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.